Thank you very much. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I'm sure we're all very happy. As I invite to present his address and commission the Ahoada Road, our governor bent on making a positive impact, a positive difference to River State, bringing progress and development to the people, not just the state, the people living and doing business in the state. Please join me in welcoming the Governor of River State, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State, the Governor of the people, for the people, making a difference, bringing change, to River State.
Ordinarily, I wouldn't have bothered to say anything here. It's just to say thank you, and thank you. I use the word thank you because in life, it is always good, even in the Bible, God, through the Holy Book, made it clear to us that when you want to appreciate, show gratitude, you show it in your heart. You don't need to be compelled or coerced to show gratitude. And when you do it that way, it transits straight to heaven. And God reward you greatly for recognizing His role in your life. Sir Ngozi Abo is a stepping stone to this position that I occupy today in River State. I use the word position, fine. He might have worked with my brother G.S. Jaja if he had not called me to work with him. I wouldn't have had the opportunity to get the other contacts and relationship that I had that propelled me to where I am today. So let me first say thank you for laying the foundation that others also took upon. Or would I say that I stepped upon to where I am. It is only God that will reward you. I say it here today so that you understand how emotional I am coming here to commission this project. I said it's just to say thank you. What have we done? It is our duty as government to listen to the need of our people and come to their cries. This particular corridor of road in Ahoada East, Iwama, is a death trap. Kidnap was on very high rates along this corridor. Let me not mention the concern of the Ezebata, where he said our women, a lot of them will lose their life or their baby trying to access the major road before getting to the hospital. But I'm talking about the other security issue. This corridor was the major corridor that those people who don't want our state to have peace, the criminals were using this entrance to access one other river here before they get to the other side of the LGA. the Emowa side of the LGA. But I can say today, with what we have done, it won't be business as usual for them anymore. So you understand why I don't need to talk about this road. It's just to say thank you. Because I've not done anything that is unusual. It is listening to the need of our people and saying that as a government, we're able to attend to their needs. Let me appreciate the contractor. The contractor has proven once again that with the release of funds adequately, proper supervision, cooperation of the host community, that they can deliver. They were one of the contractors that had a very bad record in our state. And they wrote severally to me that they are ready to redeem their image. And we gave them this chance. I want to say that you are proving that to us, and we will also encourage you with other jobs. Today, let me thank the Ahoada, its people, and assure you that the request of Ezopata, we will attend to it. Why are we doing all these things? We are doing it so that when we come to you and talk to you, that this is the way we're going, which you already know that our support today is for Mr. President, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu. It won't be a difficult message to sell to our people. Our people will say, yes, the person who is talking to us has proven himself in little things. So if you're coming to tell us that this is where you are and where you're going, we will close our eyes and follow you. So I want to thank you and also prepare you, because we will come with that message very soon. We have started it already. That is our position as of today. Ladies and gentlemen, we can't thank the Almighty God enough for this opportunity. We can assure you here that we are not going to lose focus on the need to provide services to our people. Services that are not because of our interests, services that are the genuine need of our people. Because at the end of this, it will come to an end one day. What will this administration be remembered for? It should be remembered for its simplicity, its listening ear, and its promptness to problem solving. So let me thank everyone that has come here to join us to commission this project. Let me thank the people of Ahoada East for the kind of food that you are giving to me. In fact, I need to increase my rate of exercise. If not, I will talk to Fadimombo. When I finish the cow, enter the yam, enter the fish, start to swallow the oil. There is problem. But thank you for this show of love. Let me at this point invite the Deputy Governor, our leaders, the traditional leaders, to join us as we commission these projects to the glory of God.